Hi, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of Smart Data Transition Toolkit that Cloudera and Accenture teams have built together. This is the home screen of the tool. This tool takes care of everything you need in pre-transition, on-transition, and post-transition of the data movement from your legacy data warehouses into Cloudera CDP. As you can see here, we have built various accelerators for each phase of your data migration into CDP to make sure every aspect of your data migration is taken care. Now let's take a look at Smart Data Mover in more detail. This tool supports Oracle, Teradata, Exadata, and Netezza to be migrated into CDP, supporting both Hive and Impala as query engines. Now with Teradata as source, let's discover this database in more detail. This gives us analysis of Teradata warehouse to figure out its usage, size of various databases, and its tables. You can click on different databases to know exact details of those databases. You can check dependencies of various schemas and dependencies at various object levels too to figure out impact of the migration. It also provides analysis around usage of database based on the size and also on the access level, for example hot, warm, or cold. Let's migrate one of the small database and proceed further. In this screen, you can select required tables or the entire list to be migrated into CDP. You can select tables based on the usage and select target query engine for the migration. Here we're choosing two tables, Fin District, Fin Order for the migration. Now the migration will take place to figure out both data and its related metadata to be migrated into CDP. As you can see here, both the tables are successfully migrated from Teradata into CDP data warehouse. Let's click on our dashboard to check status of our overall migration project. This provides status of various migration jobs that are previously run. Let's check status of the job that we just ran, and it looks perfect with a successful status that's shown here. You also have an option to check jobs based on various other status, for example failed status or in progress or success status too. And you can also look at various screens to figure out exact jobs that you want to get into, and also a high level summary of how well your migration is progressing. To know more about this tool, please reach out to us. Thank you.